can't believe it, what a shit start!
In order to win this race, each corner must be driven perfectly. I will have to push at each single lap. This is the video of the final. Before starting with the video, I would like to remind you that by using the code Racenow, you can get 10% off for your t-shirts on the website 380design.com. I'll leave you the link in the description box below. Also, if you want to support me, please subscribe to the channel, it is really important. Go to it now. And let's watch the video now.
Prepararsi la pro per la vostra finale, la pro.
Michele, mica voglia...
No, non lo aiutare!
No, il rivale!
Se sta sul carrello non può gareggiare!
Sì, ho vinto. Mi sono partito bene finalmente. Prima volta della vita.
In bocca al lupo.
Piace? Provale qualcuno.
Qua!
Fai partire.
Fammi una foto con il mio pilota, dai.
Gabba.
Fatta!
Mica il pilota più lento ti sei scelto? Dai, mica, moro, sempre. Sì, andiamo! Aspetta.
Let's go. Cavalieri in pole position and Rossi just behind him in P2. Okay, this time I will exploit the formation lap to try the standing start. I cannot afford to make a mistake again. Better than the last one. Acceptable. I'm so hyped. I really want to go and catch P1. During race 1, I was not super happy about the engine. In particular, I had some difficulties on the exit of the second last corner. Each time I was going par throttle, there was no reaction from the engine at all. So in order to get out of the corner, I had to go full throttle in order to have a decent exit from the corner. But after a quick change in carburation made by Giovanni, the situation got much better. Come on, what's taking so long? I don't want to stay here sitting on the grid and flood my engine. It's time. Okay, not bad, even though the guys in front had a much better start. My objective is Cavalieri, so I have to overtake Rossi immediately. Win it or bin it, I don't care. Yes! P2, let the hunt begin. Diego is pushing really hard. It will be really tough to catch him. After the change in carburation, my engine is pushing a lot more. Anyway, even Diego's engine is flying today. This race will be all about corners and constant race pace. Okay, behind us there's nobody. Now it will be all about nerves and patience. Shit, Diego never makes a mistake today. The gap is more or less the same. In some corner I gain, and in some corners I lose. The only thing I can do now is to keep this pace and to hope that Diego will make a mistake. My body is starting to give up. It has been a very intense week. The sweat is pouring into my eyes and my arms are starting to feel a little bit heavy. But I cannot give up now. Temperature is getting quite high now, almost 60 degrees, so I will have to keep an eye on that also. If on one side I'm hoping that the race will be still long enough so I will have a chance to win it, on the other side I'm looking for it to finish as soon as possible. My body and mind are giving up on me. I start fearing that something might break on the go-kart and I will end up last. There's only 2 laps left. Diego is now too far away. Let's bring on this second place. Let's cool down my engine and my brain. I have nothing left in me.
Ti sei girato 7 volte, 8. Minchia, non ce l'hai fatta, è più forte di te, però bravo.
Minchia, ma non ti avrei preso neanche con i retrorazzi. Minchia, meno male è finita perché non ce la facevo più.
Abbiamo visto gli ultimi 2 giri.
No, ma perché avevo l'acqua a 60, ho detto cazzo me ne frega, cioè, tanto non lo prendevo.
Bravo.
Dai più il motore. Ma anche in uscita delle curve.
Anyway, I'm pretty satisfied with my performance in the final. Even if I was probably missing a couple of tenths in pure performance, I am really happy with the constance of my race pace. I managed to lap on the same lap time throughout all the race, which is hard for me because I usually struggle in maintaining my focus during races. I'm really happy of having gifted my amazing aluminum 380 chassis with a podium, since it will be its last race with me. Yes, this will be the last time I will drive the number 380 Kart on track. I'm really happy because I had a lot of fun. Of course, I would like to thank everybody, starting from Giovanni that made this race possible for me and provided me with an engine, otherwise I would have not been able to race this weekend. I would like also to thank all the guys from the KGM team. Of course, I would like to thank Miki. He's always been there for me since the beginning of this adventure.
Sorridi se sei
So, this will go there. This has the number 2, that has the number 3 on it. I hope that the next one will have the number 1 on the front plate. Anyway, the second race of the Mercadante Trophy will be exactly in a month's time, on the 26th of September. Of course, I will be ready for it. And this time, Diego, you will not have such an easy race as this one. I promise you that. On top of the races, I also have to think about the future of the channel. There are many things I would like to do, and there are many ideas that I would love to develop. But as you know, not everything is always possible. I gave myself 1 year of time to achieve my goals, develop this project, and hope that it could live of its own life. Of course, the time left is not a lot, but if there's one thing that I learned throughout this year, and in particular during this last summer break, is that I will never give up. So during the last few months, I will give the best of me, and I will fight as hard as I can to ensure that I can keep giving you this kind of content. If the ship will have to sink, I will not take my hand off the steering wheel until the last second. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next.